In this video, I'll show you how to trade oil futures on the Robinhood web version step by step. First, open your browser and go to the Robinhood website, then log into your account. Before you begin, make sure futures trading is enabled and approved in your account settings. Once you're on the dashboard, switch to the Legend view to access advanced trading tools. Next, use the search bar at the top and type oil futures to find available contracts, often listed as crude oil futures. Click on a contract to open its page. Here, you'll see the price chart, contract details, and order panel. Take a moment to review the current price and expiration date. Now, click on the Trade button. Choose whether you want to go long if you expect oil prices to rise, or go short if you expect them to fall. Enter the number of contracts you want to trade and select your order type, such as market or limit. After entering your details, click on Review Order and check the margin requirement and total cost. If everything looks good, click on Submit to place your trade. Once your trade is active, you can monitor it from your portfolio and close it anytime before expiration. That's how you can trade oil futures step by step. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials.